What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Are you a credit repair specialist that uses Facebook to promote and sell their services or products? Have you ever wondered how the hell do people make these offer posts and get so much damn engagement and so many damn comments? Well, you're not alone. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Gilbert, and no, I'm not a guru, I'm not a genius. I'm actually the creator and the founder of the Leads in the Inbox Simple Automation Tools, and just another credit enhancement specialist like the most of you guys. In this video, I want to show you guys a quick little Facebook hack that you guys can use to go ahead and automatically skyrocket your engagement through the roof with a couple of small tricks and a couple of algorithm hacks, okay? So real quick, this is a tool that we launched called Engage and Eddy. It was just launched a couple days ago, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a little bit of what the tool does and how it'll help you get more engagement. And if you feel that it's something that will help you in your business, then I suggest you go ahead and take advantage of this offer and sign up immediately, because this ridiculous offer won't stay at this price for long, okay? So the tool that I'm talking about is called Engage and Eddy, and it works on your laptop or your PC, and it works on a Chrome browser directly on Facebook. Okay, once you go ahead and download the Chrome extension, you'll go ahead and see it up here on your main board. You'll go ahead and click on the tool, and the first thing that you're going to be prompted to do is log in. Once you go ahead and sign up, for those of you that sign up for this stupid, ridiculous offer, you're going to go ahead and log into the email you used to sign up. You're going to have your own little password, and then you go ahead and log in. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is when you log in, you want to go ahead and click on the settings feature, okay? The first question is, how fast do you want to leave your engagement and your reactions? We have a recommended setting of 11 to 15 seconds, so just go ahead and leave it as is. The next question is asking you is, do you have a specific time that you would like Engage and Eddy to automatically run for you? On a Skyview level, what Engage and Eddy is going to do is it's going to go down your timeline, and it's going to automatically react and leave a comment on your friend's post. Okay, so every time that your friend goes and leaves a comment, what Engage and Eddy will do is it'll filter out your newsfeed, it'll look for your friend's post, and it'll automatically leave a reaction and a comment of what you designed it to go ahead and write. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So the reason that that's important is because the way that the Facebook algorithm works is that your content is going to be viewed mostly by the people that you're constantly engaging with and the people that are consistently engaging with your content. I know that a lot of you guys are consistently making these amazing value posts, and unfortunately they're getting crickets. No one's engaging and reacting on your content, right? And the reason that is because you typically don't engage with a lot of other people's content. And when you're not engaging and reacting with a lot of other people's content, Facebook isn't going to share your content with a lot of other people, because it's going to say that there's no communication there. So why do they want to see each other's content? That's why you typically only see the same couple of people's post on your newsfeed, okay? So what Engage and Eddy is going to do, it's going to help you skyrocket the amount of people that are viewing your post by automatically going down your timeline and automatically reacting and leaving comments on your friend's post, okay? So again, this is going to ask you is there a specific time that you want Engage and Eddy to go down your timeline and automatically prime your newsfeed? Automatically engage with your friends on your friends list, right? Give them engagement and give them interactions so that when your friends log into their Facebook account, the first thing that they're going to see is your engagement, your value post, okay? So that's the reason that it's important to automatically and consistently engage with your friends and their content. Because whenever you make a post, the first thing that they're going to see, due to the Facebook algorithm working on your behalf, is the first thing that they're going to see when they log in is your post. Because they're going to say, oh, look, they're good friends. They want to see each other's content. So now when I make a post, the first thing that Tamika is going to see is my content as soon as she logs in, okay? So again, at 9 o'clock, Engage and Eddy will automatically go through my timeline and automatically react and engage with my people's content, okay? You log in, you set these filters up, then you click Next. Here is the type of comments that Engage and Eddy will go ahead and automatically leave for you. These will come out blank. It'll be up to you to go ahead and type them in. You can do whatever you want on these. Nice, love it, exclamation mark. Or just nice, great post. Thanks. What'll happen is Engage and Eddy will go through your timeline and it'll look at the post. It'll automatically see what kind of reactions the post has. If the post has more hearts over thumbs up or over any kind of engagement, it'll automatically give it a heart, and it'll automatically leave it one of the comments that you left for the heart reaction. So if the post has more hearts than anything else, it'll automatically default and leave it a heart reaction and leave it one of these two comments. If the post has more thumbs up, it'll automatically leave one of these two comments along with a thumbs up reaction, and so forth with all the reactions on the post. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So you're going to go ahead and type in all the type of comments that you want to go ahead and update. Then you just go ahead and click update. After you update, you'll click back, and then you'll go ahead and start clicking on running the tool. Click on Engage and Eddie. We logged in, we did the settings, now we click on start. So again, now what Engage and Eddie is automatically going to do is go through my newsfeed, filter out my friend's post, and automatically give them reactions, and automatically leave a comment on our behalf. So that whenever we make a post and our friends log into their Facebook app or their Facebook account, the first thing that they're going to see is our content, our value content, our offer post, etc. Right? So right now, here's one. Let's see what it has. It should automatically give it one of these reactions, and it'll automatically leave a comment on our behalf. So what I typically like to do is run this to early in the morning. As you can see, it says you and 12 others gave it a like. If we scroll down in a couple of seconds, it'll tag their name and it'll leave one of the like comments on there. So it says, Sonia such and such, I like this, right? Now it's going to go down the timeline again, look for another friend's post, filter out the reactions to see which one it has most of, which reaction it has most of. Engage and Eddie will automatically give it a reaction and leave a comment. So this has one like. This post will get a like from us automatically thanks to Engage and Eddie, and it will also leave a comment on our behalf. So right here on Gil Garcia's post, it said, do it scared, do it broke, something, something. You'll see that it'll automatically give it a like on our behalf, and it'll automatically also give it a comment, so that whenever we make a post, the homie Gil Garcia will automatically see our content. There's the like. In a couple of seconds, it'll pull up the comment automatically for us. And you see me over here waving my hand so you can see that I'm not typing it up, right? Okay. Again, ladies and gentlemen, the reason that this is so valuable and so important is because the more people that view your offer, that view your content, that view your post, the more people that are going to interact with your content, right? The more people that see your stuff, the more people that are most likely to engage. And if you're constantly engaging and interacting with other people, do you think they're not going to do the same for you? Of course. It's only natural, right? So here's another one for the homie Daniel Issom. No engagements on it, right? So I'm going to be the first one that's going to give them any kind of love, which I'm sure they're going to appreciate and support, right? So why wouldn't they do the same? Okay? And not only that, but then again, we're hacking the Facebook algorithm to work on our behalf. Okay, so again, Gilbert Arias, the only one that gave this guy any kind of love and engagement, and in a couple of seconds, it's automatically going to leave a post on his behalf. I like this, thumbs up. You see what I'm saying? It's doing all the tedious work for us. I can go and chill with the kids, I can go and make a consultation call, etc. Again, ladies and gentlemen, if you're someone that uses Facebook to promote and sell your services, I suggest that you seriously take a look into this offer. For less than $2 a month, or about $2 a month, you can go ahead and sign up for Engage and Eddie and literally skyrocket your engagement, okay? If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Again, ladies and gentlemen, I am not a damn guru. My name is Gilbert, and I'm the founder and the creator of the Leads in the Inbox Simple Automation Solution Tools, okay? If you have any questions, reach out, but I do suggest that you guys click on the link below, especially if you're looking to get more paying clients organically without having to spend money in ads, ladies and gentlemen. Allow these tools to do the work for you and skyrocket your engagement. Get leads organically by providing value and by consistently interacting and automating the whole process, okay? If you have any questions, again, feel free to reach out. In the meanwhile, the link is below. If you feel like signing up, I suggest you do now before the price increases in the near future, ladies and gentlemen, okay? Again, this is Engage and Eddie version 1.0 For all you guys that do sign up now at this price, it will include all and major updates that come, okay? So you won't get left out behind once I do increase the price, okay? This is just the beginning. This is Engaging Eddie version 1.0, ladies and gentlemen. There goes the heart. It automatically gave it a love because this post had more love than anything else. And in a couple of seconds, it'll automatically leave a love post that I had requested it to send. Love it, right? I didn't do anything, ladies and gentlemen. Again, this is Engaging Eddie. My name is Gilbert, the founder and the creator of the Leads in the Inbox Simple Automation Tools. Sign up, save yourself a significant amount of money, generate more leads, generate more paying clients organically, directly on Facebook with Simple Automation Tools, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys are having an awesome day.